Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? I think like 2 weeks ago I was showing you guys how I organize my crystals. I used to have them in this, which I still have some because I'm not finished. So I have them in this, but I am transferring them to the boxes. And the reason is because if I travel, it's just easier for me to take this with me. If I go downstairs or if I go to my friend's house, it's just easier to carry a box versus some drawers. There's like 7 or 8 drawers. But anyway, then I realized that I actually bought the wrong size of box. As you can see, only 2 rows fit in here, and crystals are actually a lot of crystals. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you. I bought another box. I have so many boxes, it's not even funny. I bought another box from Michael's, okay? And so what I'm going to do is I bought a big box. So I'm going to transfer the crystals in that big box and then keep this little box for the sparklers, because there's not a lot of sparklers, okay? And I get my sparklers from DP with sparklers. Yeah, that's what it's called, from Tina. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. Okay, so let me show you what I bought, guys. So I went to Michael's, and Michael's has always, they sell these boxes, and Hobby Lobby does too, and I think Joann's does also. They sell small, medium, and a large. This is the large one. Okay, look how beautiful it is, and it's got its magnet. See that? Pretty cool. It's huge, so it's going to be perfect. I could actually do 5 rows of my crystals, so they will all fit here. Okay. So let me tell you what I did. I went to Michael's, and I found this beautiful box, and it's $24.99. But if you guys use the 40% off coupon, and it's on the app, or you have to just get the app, then you get it for $15. Okay, so which is not bad. And then I said, okay, but I need the dividers. So what I did was I went to Staples today with my friend Dorothy. So let me open this up so you can see. So I went to Staples, and I bought in the back of Staples, they have the foam cardstock, which I thought this was cool. Look at this. They look like tiles. I had never seen this one before. So I said, I gotta have this one. This is just too cute. So I basically bought one large foam cardstock and board. And I took it to the print section, and I told the guy, hey, do you think you can cut these out for me so I can create dividers? So I brought the box, he measured everything out, and he made me, and it was quick, guys. So I I ran errands with Dorothy, and we came back and it was done. So you could pick the color you like. I like this color. And you see, he created dividers. So they might fall, and the reason is because the crystals are not there yet, but that's fine. So let me just show you. Okay. And so then he said, well, how wide do you want how many? And I said, well, I'm not sure. I think maybe 4 or 5. He actually gave me, I think he made me 6 dividers. So then I brought this with me, right? Because this is where I put the crystals, and he measured it. So it's going to be like this. Can you see that? Oh, wait. So the crystals are going to go in here. All right. So we're going to transfer those in here. Let's see if that works out. Hopefully it does. So let me tell you. So then, yeah, so I got the box for $15, and okay, and then of course you have to get the cardboard, and I think this was $7. I can't remember, like six and change. But as you can see, you can make many dividers, and I still had extra, and I left it in the car, but I still have a big piece left, which I can make more dividers. And what else? And of course, and for the index cards, because I get these from Flawsome Crafter, but you can make these, guys. So I'm going to tell you the measurement. So you take this and you buy white cardstock, not cardstock, white index cards without the lines. But if you want to get the lines, you can. But you can get them without the line. They sell them also. And I measured that for you. So I wrote it down. So the index card is, and I'll write all this down in the description box, is actually 2 1/4 by 4 1/4. So basically all you need to do is you take the index card and just use these labels, and then you could mark down, you could write down the DMC number and the color. Okay, and then you'll have that, and then you have the dividers. Okay, and then of course you have a beautiful box. So I have a box, I know I say box so many times. I have a box for my AB squares, and then I have another one for my AB round, and now this is going to be for my crystals, and then the smaller one is going to be for my sparklers, because sparklers, I think there's like 40 or 45 colors, I'm not sure, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. So let's try this, let's see if it works. And I need some water because I am thirsty. I don't think I've been drinking enough water lately. I have to do that. Okay, so you can see how small this box, let me move this, compared to this one. This is more like looks like a shoe box. Okay, all right, so let's transfer this. And as you can see, this has also dividers, same thing. It's just the foam board. So you could actually take this, or actually measure, I'll measure this for you. I forgot to measure that. And you just tell them, you know, can you make me that also? Cut it out for me. And Staples, they cut it for you. Let's see. Let's measure this baby. So this is like almost, oh my God, I'm so hot, guys. This is almost like, actually it's 2 1/4. 2 1/4, it must be the same. 2 1/4 by 4 by 4, actually. Okay. All right, so I already put this here. Let's do the next one. It's been actually very nice weather here in Texas. And I think it's going to drop into the 40s tonight. So let's see. And you could do it the other way too, guys. I like it this way. I don't know why, but I just do. So you can do it vertically or horizontal, any way you want to do it. Hopefully I said it right. Okay, this might be a little tight here. Oh no, it works perfect. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I hope so. All right, you see, guys? Now, obviously I couldn't use this one because this is for the smaller box. So this will be for my sparklers. Now I'm going to take this beautiful one. Isn't that pretty? Looks like a tile. All right, it doesn't matter really. Okay, look at that, guys. Perfect. Okay, I get excited, sorry. Okay, so let's do the other one. All right, I'm going to put this one here. That one there, the 800s. And 900. I think that's 900 there too. Oh, see, so I still have space there. Oh, oh, don't come out. No. Let's put a divider. Perfect. And this is where I actually stopped because I realized that I did not have enough space in that box. So as you can see, and you can fix it up later. As you can see, we can still fit more in here. So I'm going to put the rest of the dividers in here for now. It'll hold that up until I continue. So it looks like I might have 1, 2, 3, 4, even 5 rows, which is nice. I will definitely show you after I finish everything. If you go back to my video that I did 2 weeks ago, it shows you how I basically use these bags. And I will also put the description. These bags, I wrote it down. Where's my little card? These are from Amazon, 100 pieces, and holographic bags, 3 by 4 inches for $8.99, 100 of them. So I actually bought 2 bags of these. All right, so I'm going to continue finishing this, and then I will come back and I will show you what it looks like. Okay, guys? Actually, I decided to just show you for the people that did not watch the other video that I did 2 weeks ago. So let me just show you very quickly. So we're going to need, just in case they spill. All right. So So wait, these are the bags. Make sure you see one side is holographic and the other side is clear. So you have to just make sure that you have the right side where you want the clear side in the front. And then you take the sticker, and this is going to be 913. And I don't have, see, this is a 912, but I do not have the 912, so we're going to put that one in here because we don't need that. And then 913, the color is Nile Green Medium. So I'm going to do, and you can use a thinner one. This one is pretty thick, so I don't like that. See, it's a little thick. And this is medium. So then I take the sticker, the label sticker, I put the number on the top, or you could do the other way around, doesn't matter. I put the color, and then I just open the bag. Oh, let's open this first. Just pour it in here. The tray is just in case you spill one or two, they'll fall in the tray. I love these bags, guys. They're very sturdy, and they lock just perfect. So you see, you can see the color, and then the other side you see it's holographic. So then you put it there, okay? And then just put this one, and then of course this, what I'm going to use for is for when I'm kitting up. I can use this for kitting up. Like a big piece, like a big. I tell you guys. Okay, so this is going to be 915, and 915 is plum dark. Plum, and it has a little line, and dark. I love the colors of the crystals, guys. Crystals are very, very shiny. I use them for my, what's that painting that I made from, oh my god, I forget the name of the country, Dreamer. And it was the lighthouse. It was a small painting. But I used crystals on that too. Okay? Oh, we forgot. Actually, you know what? Do the label first. Put the label first because, you see? Oh, you could do it. Doesn't matter. Doesn't actually matter. Alright. And there it is. So that goes there. Oh, sounds like somebody fell. Okay, and then 917. Oh, let's put these in here. We forgot to do that. Let's not forget to do that. So 913. And then 915. Okay, the next one is 917. And this is the last one. And then I'm just going to do the rest. And then I'm finished. I'll show you guys. This is one 917. And this one's also plum. But this one is considered a medium. Guys, I gotta tell you, I love organizing. It's a little OCD, I guess it is. I don't know. You would not believe how many times I have moved the things in my craft room, or I've moved from one room to another, driving my husband crazy, or my brother. My brother actually helps me out move the furniture around. Okay. All right, there goes the plum medium. So let me continue and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Finished. Look at this. What a beauty. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have an extra one here, an extra row. And then I just put these in here. The baggies and the labels. So that's about it, guys. So now I have all my crystals in here, and let's close it up. Beautiful. And so I've got my crystals in here, and then I have the other, and then what I'm going to do is, like I mentioned earlier, is that I'm going to use a smaller box for the sparklers. All right. So that's about it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Have a wonderful rest of the night. Bye-bye, guys.